So today I wanna talk with y'all about Mars. Let's get right started. You already saw the specific topic of this video in the title or in the thumbnail. So let's get right started. Mars mystery. NASA Curiosity Mars rover photos mysterious alien anomaly on a red planet. NASA's Curiosity Mars rover has photographed an unexpected anomaly amid the red planet's arid surface. The US Space Agency has revealed, the Curiosity rover, which took pictures of Mars over a long period of time. Curiosity is NASA's car-sized rover, which has been exploring the crater Gale on Mars since 2012. The rover's exhaustive mission includes investigating the brutal Martian climate and geology and assessing whether basic life ever thrived on Mars. And UFO conspiracy theorists now believe NASA's Mars Curiosity rover has now stumbled across its greatest discovery yet, after an anomaly was clearly spotted in a photo. The Curiosity black and white photograph shows a desert landscape with high rocky hills in the background. In front of the larger rock formations, an apparently elevated white blob is clearly evident. The photograph, which has a June 16th timestamp, has sparked the expected frenzies among alien life. Conspiracy theorists who have rushed to claim it is conclusive evidence of alien life on Mars. NASA's Justin Mackey, so a worker at NASA, he made a statement about the conspiracy theories. And the thousands of images we first see from Curiosity, we see ones with bright spots nearly every week, says NASA's Justin Mackey or Mackey. However, the reality of the anomaly, in fact, is far more prosaic. A cosmic ray camera lens flare or simply sunlight reflecting off rocks are almost certain to have been responsible. NASA's Mars anomaly. The photo has sparked a frenzy among UFO conspiracy theorists. Cosmic rays are formed by highly charged atomic particles, often from outside our own solar system, which travel through space at almost the speed of light and can produce visual effects upon impact. The speed of light, just as an explanation, is around 300,000 kilometers per second. Cosmic rays are more common on Mars than on Earth due to the red planet's thin atmosphere, which does not offer as effective a barrier to cosmic radiation. Armed with 17 cameras, the Curiosity rover has roamed 13.38 miles, 21.58 kilometers on Mars, beaming back visual data and tens of thousands of high-definition photographs. And this is not the first time NASA's iconic Mars rover has captured anomalies on the red planet. So this happens nearly weekly. Okay. When another bright spot captured in pictures taken by the rover made headlines in 2014, people claimed it was light from an alien hut. The rover has two mounted nav cams on its mast, which act as a stereo pair of cameras. The black and white images capture panoramic 3D imagery, and each has a 45-degree field of view, offer NASA engineers on Earth detailed view of the planet's terrain. So yeah, that's something that such a picture like this one, which you can see in the background, got taken. That happens nearly weekly, so this is not rarely on Mars. The image in question was taken by the right nav cam. Unfortunately, the left camera wasn't working in the same direction, and photos from the same set and time show it having swiveled down to take some kind of space selfie, showing parts of the craft over rocks and dust on the ground. NASA Mars anomaly, a cosmic ray camera lens flare or sunlight reflecting off rocks is responsible. NASA Mars anomaly Curiosity has been exploring the Gale crater since 2012. The appearance and disappearance of the unidentified white blob must to have been rapid, as photos taken immediately before and after that not to show the same unidentified phenomenon. So a picture that got taken immediately before and after this one pic where you can see the anomaly. Um, there you didn't saw anything. So there you just saw normal rock. So this was just this was just fake. This is nothing real, most likely. Yeah, Josimaki, the leader of the NASA team that designed and operates Curiosity's camera, was unimpressed with the Mars Curiosity rover conspiracy theory. He said, "In the thousands of images we've received from Curiosity, we see ones with bright spots nearly every week." So that's what happens. And nearly every week we see such photos. This can be caused by cosmic ray hits or sunlight glinting from rock surfaces as the most likely explanations. So, but also a theory that could be true. It also could be that such anomalies, which we think are fake, are actually real. So, okay, and that's the question now we have. Just, just think about it. Imagine this anomaly would be real. Just think about it. Would there be an alien invasion on Mars? Would there be something alive a few millions or billions of years ago? Was there living life on Mars? So if that would be real, then probably no, there wouldn't be any aliens on Mars, because that could also be explained with a big stone or asteroid or comet or whatever hit Mars back a few billion years ago. And then this would have formed, this would have thrown out just too much of material, because our Earth would have recovered good or better because we have the tectonic plates which are moving all the time. Mars, as an example, Mars has the Olympus Mons. It's like around 26 or 21. I'm not quite sure. I think 26 or 21 kilometers high. Okay, and you think about what the heck on Earth, that you cannot imagine such a high mountain on Earth. But why is it that high? How did that happen? Because our tectonic plates are just moving all the time. And with all the time, I mean all the time. To around 215, not 15, I mean 50, sorry, 250 million years ago, we had the continent Pangaea. What was that? This was the continent, a supercontinent, where every continent was together, if you know what I mean. Like Europe, Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Oceania, North America, South America, whatever. Every continent was stick together, close up together. And that was Pangaea. And they found many proofs that this actually happened 250 million years ago, that this was a supercontinent, or that there was a supercontinent on our Earth because of same bones that were found, same plants, and it just matches together. Just try to imagine matching South America with Africa. It matches. It literally matches together. It's just the way it is. And in 250 million years from now, we again have a supercontinent. This is just the way it is because of our tectonic plates. They are moving all the time. For real, all the time. They are always moving. Even if we don't notice it, it's moving every time. You can also see it in places on Earth. As an example, Iceland. You can see this very good because there is a tectonic plate going right through Iceland, or also I don't know, just tectonic plates. Maybe Croatia, there was an earthquake a few weeks ago, a pretty hard one, because Asia and Europe are matching there. They are meeting themselves there, or Europe and Asia. This is just what it is. And in Mars, we don't have this movement. We just don't. There, everything is at one place. If there is a volcano actually forming on Mars, then this will always be on the same spot. It will never move. Okay, the volcano will stay where it is. So it has time to grow way longer than our volcanoes here on Earth, because it's never moving. It's always on the same exact spot. And that's what makes especially these mountains on Mars so high, because they have no tectonic plates which are moving. Okay, here on Earth, everything is moving. On Mars, nothing is moving, because Mars is a dead planet. It was maybe alive many years ago. We had volcanoes, we had water. That was perfect. We also had an atmosphere that was perfect for life. Okay, I can understand why conspiracy theorists are saying there was something on Mars. There were aliens on Mars, and I can totally understand that, because a few billion years ago we had volcanoes, active volcanoes. We had water, liquid water, and an atmosphere that was just perfect for life. But unfortunately, Mars didn't survive as long as Earth is doing or did. So that's the reason why. And yeah, I hope you understood it. If you still have any questions about that, feel free to write it in the comments. I can answer everything. So thank you so much for listening. Hope you enjoyed it, and we will see us in the next video. And goodbye.